Hey guys, rev up your engine. Okay, today we got this beautiful 2003 Chevy Silverado. And we've got a low beam out. Let me pop the hood for you. Oh look! There's a dog in my picture. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! There's a dog in the engine compartment. Here's an overview of the light assembly. And then here is your mounting bracket. And you just pull this up out of the clip, like such, and then just slide it right out. It couldn't be any easier. And if yours doesn't slide out that easy, just apply some penetration oil. Now you move the light assembly forward, and if you pick up on this corner, it helps when you lift up. It just comes right out. And here's your high beam, here's the low beam, and that's the one we want to change. Now here's your electrical connection, and I'm just going to use a putty knife so my fingers don't get in the way of the visual. So you just lift that up like that and push that plug right out of there. It's like that. See it sliding out real slow? There it is. And then we got the light bulb itself, and I'm going to use pliers to demonstrate the movement so my fingers are not in the way. You just turn it and straight up out. Look at that. There's our replacement bulb, 9006 HB4. And of course, you're not supposed to touch the bulb. So since they got the bulb in there that direction, I'm going to open it from the opposite side and grab it. So do you put the wire on first or the bulb? I'm going to install the bulb, so there'll be no obstruction. And then it will be nice and firm for the wire hookup. You want to have the clip side up to match that noogie. And then you just slip it right in there till you hear it click. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to try to give an overview of how this thing mounts. On the bottom of your light fixture, you have these tabs. And they slide down into some slots, which goes something like this. It just takes some finagling. You just line things up the best you can and jiggle it around, and it goes right in. It's amazing. Okay, now for the pin, you want to go under this, lift up a little bit, and then slide it right in. Beautiful. Illuminate. Beautiful. Any questions? Comments? Leave them down below.